Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to juice a pineapple and show you just how much juice you get from one pineapple. And I am using my handy manual juicer here. There's been some fake videos going around that show like one $3 pineapple will make like a liter and a half of juice, and that is absolutely false. It definitely does not make that much juice. So I'm going to show you how much it actually makes. All right, so first we want to break down the pineapple here. I'm just going to cut off the top. And then I'm going to just cut this into medallions here. And just cut these in half. And then into quarters. Okay? And now I'm going to take my juicer, lift up the handle. I'm going to put some of these in here. Chunks. So you can do it this way. And then I'm going to show you why you might want to use a nut milk bag instead of just putting them in here without the bag. Okay? Let's press this down. So you can do it that way, and then a lot of people will take a nut milk bag and they'll put them in there. But I don't think it's necessary to do that. You just might want to, because it keeps everything together a little bit better. And then you can move it around in the bag to get the chunks more together, and you might be able to press out a little bit more juice. And then you just come in here, open it up, and take those little chunks out. One thing I do like about the bag is it kind of keeps all the chunks together in the middle of the press. And I think you get just a little bit extra juice that way. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. How much juice did we get? Well, we got just shy of half a liter, so about 450 milliliters, so just shy of 2 cups. Or just shy of 16 ounces or 1 pint. And that was about a $3 pineapple. So there you go. Now let's give it a taste. So good. Wow, I love fresh pineapple juice. So yummy. Really fun pressing it at home. I don't know if it's necessarily cheaper, probably not cheaper to do it at home, but it is fun to do your own juice at home. If you want to pick up this manual press that I got here, I will put a link down below in the description where you can pick this up. I really like this. It does a pretty good job pressing things like citrus, like oranges, and then you could do like press grapes with it, pineapple, a bunch of other fruits that you can try in this. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to drink some more of this. This is so good.